Did you know that one seemingly innocent mistake with apples could expose you to toxins potent enough to harm your body? Or worse? Apples, the iconic symbol of health, hide dangers that most people are completely unaware of. Shockingly, a study by the Environmental Working Group, 2022, revealed that apples consistently rank among the top fruits contaminated with harmful pesticides. Add to that the hidden pitfalls of improper preparation, and you have a recipe for disaster. But don't worry, we're here to reveal the 10 deadly mistakes people make when eating apples and how to avoid them. If you want to ensure your health and maximize the benefits of this beloved fruit, stay tuned. Are you ready? Mistake 1. Consuming seeds. Apple seeds contain amygdalin, a compound that converts to cyanide when digested, a substance deadly in concentrated amounts. While eating a single seed likely won't harm you, studies show that regular consumption can lead to a dangerous accumulation of cyanide in the body. Research in Frontiers in Toxicology, 2020, warned that cyanide poisoning can cause severe headaches, confusion, and even fatal respiratory failure. Always avoid the core and seeds when eating apples, and never use unfiltered apple pulp or cores in juices or smoothies to avoid accidental ingestion. Mistake 2. Neglecting to wash thoroughly. Apples are sprayed with a cocktail of pesticides and coated in wax to preserve their shine and shelf life. According to the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry, 2019, rinsing apples under plain water removes less than 30% of pesticide residue. This residue can disrupt hormones, weaken the immune system, and even increase cancer risks over time. To protect yourself, soak your apples in a baking soda and water solution for 10 to 15 minutes, or invest in a fruit and vegetable wash. This simple step can eliminate up to 96% of pesticide residues, safeguarding your health. Mistake 3. Peeling before eating. You might think peeling an apple is harmless, but you're stripping away the most nutrient-dense part of the fruit. Apple skins contain the majority of the fiber and antioxidants, including quercetin, which has been shown to reduce inflammation and lower the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease and diabetes. A 2020 study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that removing the skin reduces an apple's fiber content by nearly half. Instead of peeling, wash the skin thoroughly and enjoy the full nutritional benefits of the apple as nature intended. Mistake 4. Overeating. Yes, even something as healthy as apples can cause problems when consumed in excess. Apples are high in fructose, a natural sugar that, when consumed in large quantities, can strain the liver and spike blood sugar levels. Research in the Journal of Hepatology, 2019, showed that excessive fructose intake is linked to fatty liver disease and increased abdominal fat. Stick to 1 to 2 apples per day to enjoy the benefits without overloading your system. Balance your diet with other fruits and vegetables to diversify your nutrient intake. Mistake 5. Relying on juice. Apple juice may seem like a convenient way to enjoy the fruit, but it's far from healthy. Juice removes the fiber that stabilizes blood sugar, leaving behind a high-sugar beverage that can cause dangerous blood sugar spikes. A review in Nutrition Reviews, 2021, confirmed that regular apple juice consumption increases the risk of type 2 diabetes and weight gain due to its high glycemic index. Opt for whole apples to benefit from their fiber, which slows sugar absorption and keeps you feeling full longer. If you love juice, blend apples with their pulp or pair it with a high-fiber snack. Mistake 6. Ignoring bruises and mold. Many people eat bruised apples, dismissing the discoloration as harmless. However, bruises can harbor mold and mycotoxins that pose serious health risks. A study in the International Journal of Food Microbiology, 2020, revealed that mold on apples can produce patulin, a toxin linked to gastrointestinal distress and immune suppression. Before eating, carefully inspect apples for bruises, cuts, or discoloration. Discard any fruit that shows signs of mold or soft spots to avoid ingesting harmful toxins. Mistake 7. Eating too quickly. Rushing through an apple snack might seem harmless, but improper chewing can lead to digestive discomfort. Apples are rich in fiber, and consuming them without thorough chewing puts additional strain on the digestive system. Research from the Journal of Gastroenterology, 2018, found that poorly chewed fiber can cause bloating, gas, and even contribute to irritable bowel syndrome, IBS symptoms. To maximize digestion, take your time and chew each bite thoroughly. This allows your saliva to begin breaking down the nutrients and ensures a smoother digestive process. Mistake 8. Not storing properly. Improper storage can significantly reduce the nutritional value of apples and even lead to spoilage. According to a study in the Post-Harvest Biology and Technology Journal, 2021, apples stored at room temperature lose their vitamin C content 3 times faster than those kept in a cool environment. Warm storage conditions also increase the risk of spoilage and bacterial growth. To keep your apples fresh and nutrient-packed, store them in the crisper drawer of your refrigerator. Avoid keeping them near ethylene-producing fruits like bananas, which can speed up ripening and spoilage. Mistake 9. Pairing with unhealthy toppings. Apples are often paired with sugary or high-fat toppings like caramel or chocolate sauce, which undermine their health benefits. A single serving of caramel-dipped apple slices can contain over 200 calories and 20 grams of sugar, according to data from the American Heart Association, 2020. These added sugars contribute to weight gain, insulin resistance, and heart disease. Instead, pair apples with healthier options like almond butter, Greek yogurt, or a sprinkle of cinnamon. These alternatives enhance the flavor without sabotaging your health. Mistake 10. Disregarding organic options. While all apples carry health benefits, non-organic apples are often exposed to higher levels of pesticides. A 2022 report by the Environmental Working Group placed apples in their Dirty Dozen list for high pesticide residues. Long-term exposure to these chemicals has been linked to hormone disruption, reduced fertility, and an increased risk of certain cancers. Whenever possible, choose organic apples to minimize pesticide exposure. If organic options are unavailable, washing your apples thoroughly with a baking soda solution can help reduce pesticide residues by up to 96%, as supported by research from the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry, 2019. By avoiding these 10 mistakes, you'll not only unlock the full potential of apples, but also protect yourself from unnecessary risks. Small adjustments can make a world of difference in how this fruit impacts your body. Before you go, let's quickly highlight why apples are called a superfood. They're packed with incredible benefits that can transform your health. Supports heart health. Packed with soluble fiber like pectin, apples help lower cholesterol and reduce the risk of heart disease. Boosts digestive health. The fiber in apples nourishes gut bacteria and aids in smoother digestion. Aids weight management. Low in calories yet high in fiber, apples keep you feeling full longer, making it easier to maintain a healthy weight. Regulates blood sugar. Apples' natural polyphenols improve insulin sensitivity, helping to manage blood sugar levels. Enhances immune function. Apples are rich in vitamin C and antioxidants that strengthen your immune system. Improves brain health. Quercetin, found in apple skin, protects brain cells from oxidative damage and reduces the risk of neurodegenerative diseases. Promotes stronger bones. Phytonutrients and antioxidants in apples contribute to better bone density and reduced inflammation. Protects against cancer. The antioxidants in apples combat free radicals, potentially lowering the risk of certain cancers. Boosts skin health. Apple's vitamin C content supports collagen production, improving skin elasticity and reducing signs of aging. Improves lung function. Studies show regular apple consumption reduces the risk of respiratory conditions like asthma and enhances overall lung health. There's so much more to say about how amazing apples are, but we'll save that for next time. Apples are nature's gift to health, but only if you consume them wisely. Let today's tips guide you in making smarter choices, ensuring every bite nourishes your body and supports your long-term well-being.
And there you have it. What did you think? Next, check out this video right here. I think you'll love it. Thanks for watching Healthy End, and we will see you there.